Hey guys, I'm going to be a little bit quiet today because you wouldn't think that I would be excited to be awake at 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to prove this to you. It is 8:40 in the morning. I'll show you. 8:40. And my husband and I are the only ones awake. And I am excited to get laundry started today. My husband surprised me last night when he got home from Mount Adams. He's taking the day off work today. So I get him today, and so I'm kind of wanting to get the chore part of our day done so that we can just enjoy the rest of our day. Not that it's going to be too enjoyable because of the weather, because it's supposed to rain all day. We haven't actually had summer yet. So I'm going to get going on laundry really quick, and then I have to run off and volunteer, and he has to take the kids to our church for an activity. So we're going to get started in laundry today, and we're going to take you along our day, kind of a day in the life. We will be minus 2 kids today, so we're going to not do too many activities with the whole family. We're just going to get started in laundry really quick, and then we'll keep going.
So I just finished the climb. Hopefully that video will go up. And my throat is really dry. I got a little sunburn, so I can't go to work because my voice will be gone really soon. Anyway, so I'm gonna help with the dishes here while Dayna's off running other errands. So come with me, we'll clean things up. I just realized I have to take the girls to an activity here in just a few minutes, so I'm gonna switch things around, we're gonna unload, and I'll come back later and do the dishes.
empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Alright, so we are going to finally do our special project. We've already posted this video, but as of right now we're still filming it. So we're going to finally set up our back patio, and you can get to see it behind the scenes in today's video. So
We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode.
alright, so we're still getting used to doing this. Oh, I look like crap. So we're gonna show Jason.
Yeah, I look great. My sunburn.
Yeah, he's all sunburned. I don't know if you can see that. I like you when you don't shave. And it's raining. You can see the wet window back there.
Yeah, I look like a raccoon.
Yeah, you do.
You're awesome.
But you look better than I do. So we are headed down to Joann Fabrics. You'll see we finally got our special project put outside, and then the second we got it outside,
Like the second.
literally, like, we got everything cleaned up and went to go inside, and it started to rain. So it's lovely. So I'm gonna go get some fabric to put on top of the project. You'll have seen it already. Left. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. I really don't want to show myself. I look like crap. But we're gonna get ready to go out tonight with the kids after we pick them all up.
Red Robin. No, I don't like to do something
No, I don't want to do
different.
Red Robin. So,
I don't know.
do you guys like struggle with your kids on going out to eat? And
You gotta find a place where you can feed all your kids, not for a crazy amount of money. I mean, Cheesecake Factory, even Olive Garden is like expensive. So like, where do you take
we're
your
also
kids?
like, yeah,
Where all the kids can get something and be fed, and it doesn't cost tons of money.
yeah. Leave a comment below, because especially if you are in.
We don't want McDonald's or anything, you know. It's got to be. Anyways, Red Robin's the only place we found, but we're getting pretty tired of it.
Well, we found some expensive places that they actually all really like, but we end up spending like $150 just to go out to dinner, and I can't do that tonight. So, you know, when you can do Red Robin for $40,
So yeah, please let us know.
that's your job today.
Yeah, comments, please. We need help.
Anyway, let me show you the rain. I don't even know when is summer gonna start.
We put our table out, so it's never going to start now.
No, it's never gonna start. We're never gonna get to have outside picnics. We're never gonna go to the beach. We're never gonna go to the pool. I'm gonna complain now so that when we get sunshine next week, it'll, you know, bite me, and that's fine.
And if you're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses on a rainy day, it's because it still is kind of bright, and I have really sensitive eyes. I wear sunglasses like all the time.
Poor boy.
Yes. I have delicate eyes.
Delicate eyes.
People will make fun of me.
He's sensitive.
I'm very sensitive. I'm a new millennial man.
He is. Alright, we're gonna go to
I
Joann.
climb a mountain and I'm sensitive.
I know. He just got back from Mount Adams, in case I didn't mention
yeah,
that.
That's why.
Yeah. It's right
Oh, it's
there.
right there?
Yeah. Oh. Alright, let's go to Joann's. Alright, mild change of plans. This poor one is sick, huh? You sad? Don't be sad. Your tummy hurts? Yeah. Can't really tell, but she's like pale as a ghost. So we're just gonna figure out our day, huh? See if you feel better to go out to dinner tonight. Yeah. If not, we'll just have a movie night. All right. I'm gonna go take care of you. Oh, poor tears, huh? No cries. Okay. Did you get the tail of the pinata or something?
It's a foot.
She got the foot?
Yes. Of like a unicorn.
Oh, the unicorn.
And I got paper.
I would have taken the head.
Yeah, somebody else got it.
So you got candy?
Yes.
No,
I've already opened it.
Oh, I was gonna give you ice cream, but Daddy ate it.
Kaylee.
Mine said she couldn't. I love everything except for these. I can literally hold it.
Mama, this is like a giant, like, you know those things in like Lucky Charms? It's
I'm
just
gonna
a
hide
giant
this.
one of
Whoever
those
finds it
marbles.
gets it.
What?
What, Chelsea?
Whoever finds this gets it.
So you're gonna hide a treat and whoever finds it can have it?
I'm good.
That's nice of you, Chelsea. Ashley, what movie are we watching? Alice through the looking glass. Glass.
Alice to the looking glass.
Thank you very much.
What did it say?
All right, you guys. So this stinker right here, I was gonna end it before this, but this little stinker, do you know what time it is?
No.
It's like 11:30, you guys. Why is she still awake? Why am I awake? Oh, down she goes. Come here. Can you say goodnight to everyone?
Night.
Say goodnight.
Night.
Take care, guys. Bye.